Welcome back, APECoin. Moneybag Rico here. We're going to be going over some articles from FX Streets concerning APECoin, as well as the APECoin main Twitter page. And if you guys stay tuned to the channel where we experience the abundance of money, at the very end, we'll go over some price predictions. But first, investors can expect a 60% ascent to $12.80 if the bulls make a serious comeback. APECoin's price is preparing for an upswing, but the recent breakdown has caused many buyers to go to the sidelines. The breakdown from a bullish pattern, however, could be a tactic used by smart money to collect liquidity before an explosive ascent. We also have APECoin's price is showing an optimistic outlook due to the formation of a bull pennant, the 76% surge that took place between May 12th and May 13th after the Luna-induced crash created a flagpole, right? We know that. The consolidation in the form of lower highs and higher lows that follow, creating that pennant. If you guys are following the channel, if you guys hit the like and subscribe button, you guys are already learning what higher lows are and lower lows are, okay? We are learning right here on this channel. So we're going to go ahead and check out the Twitter page. Make sure you guys come over here, like and retweet everything going on with APECoin, just to make sure that the whole community stays up to speed or on the same page of what's going on with APECoin, right? Let's show our support with what's going on. And then we're going to get to these price predictions right now. I also want to make sure that you guys, leave some comments down below. Share your thoughts about APECoin. Where do you guys think it's going to possibly break out to you? Do you guys believe what they're talking about? Do you think that it's going to break to that $12.80 mark? Right now, I'm going to let everybody know we have to break above $8.23 before we can see some type of price action like that, right? We're going to go ahead and layer this chart. This is the range that I identified in my earlier videos. I suggest that you guys go watch those, where we are trading within this range. We're scalping, gap and go trading, as I like to call it. And all we're doing is acting like smart money. And what does that mean? We're acting like smart money. What that means essentially is that we are accumulating in our own fashion, right? In our own style. We are accumulating APECoin because we don't have smart money to be able to just grab a large bag of it. Most people don't, right? So what do? We see when the dot flipped, it was oversold on the MACD. We were priorly oversold back on the MFI. And then we start this range trading where we start to trade between $7.41 all the way up to $8.23. That's money on the table. The dots flip, we come back down. We see that we're respecting this $7.51. Of course, we have some wicks that pull back a little bit lower, but that main support line, as we can see by the drag line on the Ichimoto cloud, this green one, it's almost supporting, it's almost perfect on that $7.50 mark, okay? And we see that again right here as it follows, and we start to make higher lows as we start to march back up and test the $8.23 or 23 cents mark. Right now, what we have is the formation going back down to test that. We look like we were about to break back up, but I believe we're going to test that support one more time. Of course, these things are contingent on how the rest of the markets are moving, but let's go ahead and layer this chart up. And now we see on the 30-minute chart, we tapped right on that resistance. We're marching back down. We have the dots back on the top, right? We have the MACD with a hollow candle, signifying that we have selling pressure, right? We're going to layer the chart again. We're on the 15-minute chart. We have dots on the top, so we're still marching. A very big candle on the MACD with a hollow candle indicating selling pressure. Also already being overbought, okay? So that lets you know that the trend is about to flip eventually one way or another. And then we have that right here. We're going to layer it all the way down to the 5, the 3, and the 1. Just to take a peek how we're moving inside this range. But the 15-minute chart is a good area to start and see what we're doing. The range might have changed, and we start to make higher lows on the 15-minute chart. This might be the range is a little bit higher now to $7.75 all the way up to $8.23. But looking at it this way, a little bit further out, I would, this hollow candle on the MACD, that's selling pressure for 30 minutes or so, So we have we still have a green candle on the MACD on the hourly chart. So we can get this one to turn around and finish this pump up. We can see a decent breakout. That breakout will lead us to go test that $9.27. Okay. I want you guys to load up the comments. You guys know what's up. You guys know this channel is where you guys can continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Till next time, you guys know what it is. Later.